Hello everyone, this is Software Engineering and Project Course, Group 18. My name is Zhuoying, and today I'm going to give a presentation about the code reviewed. In this presentation, it will be presented as the following order. After this instruction part, there will be the code review, consists of code, variables, data, and memory, and error handling. The last part will be the conclusion. Okay, let us turn to the code review. The first one will be about the code. The purpose of this code is to design the software for the robot to finish the survey operation on the master map. The code design is based on user requirements from project specification and client meetings. Due to the plan of coding, the whole software has been divided into several parts that based on subfunctions. Therefore, the structure of the code is clear and easy to read. As can be seen from the graph, each subfunction have their own class and an isolated Java document. After each section of the code or each function of the whole software was successfully coded and tested, the code has been reorganized and well-structured, and thus, this structure of the code will be easy to maintain and modify. The next part will be about the variables used in the code. After each subfunction is complete, our team will first test the performance, whether it meets the requirements. Then, this part of code will be reorganized for later maintenance and modifications. Thus, for those complete parts of code, the useless variables have been moved. As can be seen from this figure, there are some example variables names. For the remote control pad, there will be 4 buttons for 4 direction movement orders. For those sensors using this project, there are also individual variables for the illustration of the sensor data. So, the remaining variables have meaningful, consistent, and clear names. After the implementation and test, the data transferred from the robot runs well under expectation. This data is shown via the GUI in real time. Due to the reorganization and modification of the codes, as less data storage as possible are employed. For the purpose of efficiency, maintenance, and system stabilization. For error handling, the identified error is called as exception, and there are corresponding conventions to deal with these exceptions. For instance, before the sensors can be used, they have to be configured in a correct state. During this process, there might be unknown reasons that result in the sensors are not able to work. Thus, we design a method to notify the operator what is wrong with the robot and corresponding instructions, so that the robot can be operated under the correct and safe state. For a safety purpose, before and after the operation of the robot, the states of sensors and robot will be checked and reset into a correct state. Also, those redundant, those redundant and meaningless codes are removed in case of any accidents caused by these codes. In conclusion, in order to ensure the safety of the robot and operations, these codes are designed based on user requirements and are reorganized after implementation and tests for better performance. This is the end of the codes review presentation. If you have any question, please contact our group via email to seppg1a@gmail.com. Thank you very much.